Welcome to our journey through the core principles of management. Whether you're an aspiring leader or a seasoned professional, understanding management principles is essential for organizational success. In this video, we'll break down the foundational concepts that guide effective managers in every industry. From planning and organizing to leading and controlling, these principles provide a roadmap for achieving goals and driving growth. Let's start by exploring what management really means and why it's so crucial in today's fast-paced business world. Management is the process of coordinating people and resources to achieve organizational objectives efficiently and effectively. It involves making decisions, setting goals, and ensuring that everyone is working toward a common purpose. Good management is not just about giving orders, it's about inspiring teams, solving problems, and adapting to change. By understanding the true definition of management, we lay the groundwork for mastering its principles and applying them in real-world scenarios. The heart of management are four key functions: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These functions form a continuous cycle that helps managers steer their teams and organizations toward success. Planning sets the direction, organizing arranges resources, leading motivates people, and controlling ensures everything stays on track. Mastering these functions is essential for any manager who wants to achieve results and foster a productive work environment. Planning is the foundation of effective management. It involves setting objectives, identifying resources, and developing strategies to reach desired outcomes. A well-crafted plan provides clarity and direction, helping teams focus their efforts and anticipate challenges. By prioritizing planning, managers can minimize risks and make informed decisions that drive success. Let's look at how planning shapes the rest of the management process. Once a plan is in place, organizing becomes the next crucial step. This involves arranging resources such as people, finances, and materials in a way that supports the plan. Effective organizing ensures that everyone knows their roles and responsibilities and that resources are allocated efficiently. By building a solid organizational structure, managers create a framework that supports collaboration and productivity. Leading is about inspiring and guiding people toward achieving organizational goals. Great leaders communicate a clear vision, motivate their teams, and foster a positive work culture. Leadership is not just about authority, it's about building trust, encouraging innovation, and helping others grow. By mastering the art of leading, managers can unlock the full potential of their teams and drive lasting success. Final function of management is controlling, which involves monitoring performance and making adjustments as needed. Managers track progress toward goals, compare results with expectations, and take corrective action when necessary. Effective controlling ensures that the organization stays on course and continuously improves. By embracing this function, managers can respond to challenges quickly and keep their teams aligned with organizational objectives. Henry Fayol, a pioneer in management theory, introduced 14 principles that continue to influence modern management. These principles include division of work, authority, discipline, unity of command, and more. Each principle offers valuable insights into how organizations can operate more effectively. By understanding Fayol's principles, managers can develop a strong foundation for leading their teams and achieving organizational goals. The principle of division of work emphasizes specialization. By assigning specific tasks to individuals based on their skills, organizations can increase efficiency and productivity. Specialization allows employees to become experts in their roles, leading to higher quality work and faster results. Managers who apply this principle can build teams that perform at their best. Authority and responsibility go hand in hand. Managers must have the authority to give orders and the responsibility to ensure tasks are completed. Balancing these two aspects is crucial for effective leadership. When authority is matched with responsibility, managers can make decisions confidently and hold themselves accountable for outcomes. Discipline is essential for maintaining order and achieving organizational goals. It involves setting clear rules, enforcing standards, and ensuring that everyone follows established procedures. A disciplined workplace fosters respect, accountability, and consistency. Managers who prioritize discipline create an environment where teams can thrive and deliver results. Unity of command means that each employee should receive orders from only one manager. This principle helps prevent confusion, reduces conflicts, and ensures clear communication. When everyone knows who to report to, decision-making becomes more efficient and accountability is strengthened. Managers who uphold unity of command create a more organized and effective workplace. Unity of direction ensures that all team members are working toward the same objectives. By aligning efforts and resources, organizations can achieve their goals more efficiently. Managers play a key role in setting a clear direction and communicating it to their teams. This principle fosters collaboration and keeps everyone focused on shared priorities. For organizations to succeed, individual interests must be subordinated to the interests of the group. This principle encourages teamwork and unity, ensuring that personal goals do not conflict with organizational objectives. Managers can foster this mindset by promoting a culture of collaboration and shared purpose. Remuneration refers to fair compensation for work performed. When employees are rewarded appropriately, they are more motivated and committed to their roles. Managers should ensure that pay and benefits are competitive and reflect the value of each team member's contributions. Fair remuneration builds trust and loyalty within the organization. Centralization refers to concentrating decision-making authority at the top levels of management, while decentralization distributes authority throughout the organization. The right balance depends on the organization's size, goals, and culture. Managers must assess which approach best supports their team's needs and organizational objectives. Scalar chain is the line of authority within an organization. It defines the path through which communication and decisions flow from top management to lower levels. A clear scalar chain ensures that everyone understands their place in the hierarchy and how information should be shared. Managers who maintain a strong scalar chain promote order and efficiency. Order means having the right people and resources in the right place at the right time. This principle helps organizations operate smoothly and efficiently. Managers who prioritize order create an environment where tasks are completed on time and resources are used effectively. Order is the backbone of productivity and organizational success. Equity means treating all employees fairly and with respect. Managers who practice equity foster a positive work environment and build strong relationships with their teams. Fairness encourages loyalty, reduces conflicts, and helps attract and retain top talent. By prioritizing equity, organizations can create a culture of trust and inclusion. Stability of tenure refers to retaining employees for extended periods. High turnover can disrupt operations and lower morale. Managers who provide job security and opportunities for growth help build a stable, committed workforce. Stability of tenure supports long-term organizational success and fosters a sense of belonging among employees. Encouraging initiative means empowering employees to take action and make decisions within their roles. Managers who value initiative foster creativity, innovation, and a sense of ownership. When team members feel trusted to contribute ideas and solve problems, organizations become more agile and competitive. Esprit de corps refers to team spirit and unity. Managers who build a strong sense of camaraderie inspire loyalty and collaboration. A positive team culture boosts morale, enhances communication, and drives collective success. By fostering esprit de corps, organizations can overcome challenges and achieve their goals together. Scientific management, introduced by Frederick Taylor, emphasizes efficiency through scientific analysis of work processes. By studying tasks and optimizing workflows, managers can increase productivity and reduce waste. This approach laid the groundwork for modern management practices focused on data-driven decision-making and continuous improvement. Human relations approach recognizes the importance of people in the workplace. It emphasizes motivation, communication, and employee well-being. Managers who adopt this approach focus on building strong relationships, fostering teamwork, and creating a supportive work environment. By valuing people, organizations can achieve higher levels of engagement and performance. Systems approach views organizations as interconnected systems. Every department and process affects the whole. Managers who use this approach consider the impact of their decisions on the entire organization. By thinking systemically, they can identify opportunities for improvement and avoid unintended consequences. The contingency approach suggests that there is no one-size-fits-all solution in management. The best course of action depends on the situation. Managers must assess the context and adapt their strategies accordingly. Flexibility and situational awareness are key to effective management in a dynamic business environment. Decision-making is a critical skill for managers. It involves identifying problems, evaluating options, and choosing the best course of action. Effective decision-making requires gathering information, analyzing data, and considering the potential impact on the organization. Managers who make informed decisions can guide their teams toward success. Strong communication skills are essential for effective management. Managers must convey information clearly, listen actively, and provide feedback. Good communication fosters understanding, reduces misunderstandings, and builds trust within teams. By mastering communication, managers can create a more collaborative and productive work environment. Understanding what motivates employees is key to effective management. Various theories, such as Maslow's hierarchy of needs and Herzberg's two-factor theory, offer insights into human motivation. Managers who apply these theories can create environments that inspire employees to perform at their best and achieve organizational goals. Delegation involves assigning tasks and responsibilities to others. Effective delegation empowers employees, develops their skills, and frees up managers to focus on higher-level priorities. Managers who delegate well build stronger teams and achieve better results. Trust and clear communication are essential for successful delegation. Time management is crucial for managers juggling multiple responsibilities. Prioritizing tasks, setting deadlines, and minimizing distractions help managers stay organized and productive. Effective time management leads to better decision-making and reduces stress. Managers who master this skill can achieve more in less time. Conflicts are inevitable in any organization. Managers must address disagreements promptly and constructively. Effective conflict resolution involves listening to all parties, finding common ground, and facilitating solutions. By managing conflicts well, managers can maintain a positive work environment and strengthen team relationships. Change is constant in today's business world. Managers must guide their teams through transitions, whether it's adopting new technologies or restructuring processes. Effective change management involves clear communication, training, and support. By helping employees adapt, managers can ensure smooth transitions and continued success. Performance management is about setting expectations, monitoring progress, and providing feedback. Managers who focus on performance help employees grow and achieve their goals. Regular reviews and constructive feedback create a culture of continuous improvement and accountability within the organization. Organizational culture shapes how people behave and interact at work. Managers play a key role in defining and reinforcing culture through their actions and decisions. A positive culture promotes engagement, innovation, and loyalty. By nurturing the right culture, managers can drive long-term organizational success. Ethical management involves making decisions that are fair, transparent, and aligned with organizational values. Managers who act ethically build trust with employees, customers, and stakeholders. Upholding high ethical standards is essential for long-term success and a positive reputation. Innovation keeps organizations competitive and relevant. Managers who encourage creativity and support new ideas drive progress and growth. By fostering a culture of innovation, managers can help their teams adapt to change and seize new opportunities in the marketplace. Strategic management involves setting long-term goals and developing plans to achieve them. Managers must analyze the external environment, assess internal strengths and weaknesses, and make informed choices. Strategic thinking helps organizations stay ahead of competitors and achieve sustainable success. Risk management is about identifying, assessing, and mitigating potential threats to the organization. Managers must anticipate risks and develop strategies to minimize their impact. Proactive risk management protects resources, ensures continuity, and supports long-term growth. Resource allocation involves distributing people, money, and materials to achieve organizational goals. Managers must prioritize needs, balance budgets, and ensure resources are used efficiently. Effective resource allocation supports productivity and helps organizations achieve their objectives. Different situations call for different leadership styles. From autocratic to democratic to laissez-faire, each style has its strengths and weaknesses. Managers must assess their teams and choose the style that best fits the context. Flexibility in leadership leads to better outcomes and stronger team dynamics. Setting clear, achievable goals is a cornerstone of effective management. Goals provide direction, motivate teams, and measure progress. Managers who set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, help their teams stay focused and accomplish more. Regular feedback and recognition are vital for employee engagement. Managers who acknowledge achievements and provide constructive feedback help employees grow and stay motivated. Recognition fosters a positive work environment and encourages high performance across the organization. Continuous improvement is about always seeking ways to do things better. Managers who embrace this mindset encourage learning, innovation, and adaptability. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can stay competitive and achieve long-term success. You've explored the essential principles and practices that define effective management. From planning and organizing to leading and controlling, each principle plays a vital role in achieving organizational success. By applying these concepts, managers can inspire their teams, drive performance, and create lasting value. Remember, great management is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of management principles.